45 nights, pumpkin spice, full throttle. Let's start off with chips and salsa. Not your typical chips and salsa, basic girl chips and salsa. We got Pepita pumpkin, which is like pumpkin seeds. I'm not seeing that there's actual pumpkin puree in there, so it's just the seeds. And then we have pumpkin tortilla chips. Let's go. Are you literally gonna try to open a can on camera, Heidi? Yeah, I guess so. This is hilarious. It's not. I did it. I'm so strong. It kind of looks like tapenade. I don't know why there's like oil separated on top, but smells good. Should I just eat it straight out of the can, jar, whatever? What do you think? Let's do it. I think let's try this first. It was like the world's worst bite. It smells more pumpkin-y than it tastes. Honestly, this just tastes like a regular tortilla chip. Why am I eating it like a bird? Because it's so loud. I wish I was in my math teacher's class right now. We didn't get along. I just do this. Still failed the test, but okay, whatever. Yeah, besides the point. This is pretty good, very fragrant. I'm wondering if it's got like pumpkins. It's got pumpkin seed, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, nutmeg, corn flour, vegetable oil. Yeah. Not sure if I'm feeling this. I think it just smells more like potent-y, autumn-y, pumpkin-y than I like. It doesn't really taste like that. It just kind of hits your like senses before you get to enjoy it. And then this, should I stir this up? Should I just go at it? This is an honest review. Maybe I'll stir it up right there. I'm literally flying solo, guys. Loner over here. I'm not cross-contaminating anything with anybody because it's just me, myself, and I. So what am I going to spread the Rona to myself? It's not funny, but yeah, I can eat right out of the jar because nobody else is going to touch it. So yeah. Let's see. Wow. That is spicy. Okay. That's really good. Oh my god. 8 out of 10. I wouldn't give it a 9 or a 10 because it kind of has a texture of pasta sauce, but it's delicious. It's phenomenal. It's 8 out of 10. Really good stars. I don't wish this chips upon anybody. No, I think these chips are good. They smell too strong. They're fine. They actually don't even taste that pumpkin-y, but I'm loving this salsa. Very bright, balanced fall flavors, but like, oh, it's got a kick at the end. I wonder what kind of salt. Yeah, they have a lot of red peppers. What is it? Huh. They don't have any other peppers? I feel like it's spicier. Dry roasted. I don't know. I feel it's got to have something more than red pepper. It's delicious. I'm going to put this on other stuff. I'll make a good recipe with that. But yeah, so that's my opinion. It's kind of like, you know when it's too hot, but you just want to keep like dipping your chips in it because it's like, I don't know, luring. This is really good. I think I found a new favorite. I love Trader Joe's. I love shopping at Trader Joe's. It's kind of like war. It's like going to war with like basic housewives. Kind of makes me realize how much I must annoy other people because people there are really annoying. No, they're not. They're just, I don't know. I get a vibe. I feel like they're better than me, but they're not. Or I'm just like overly self-conscious there. Oh my god, for this, I'll put up with all those people. I don't care. Yeah, this is phenomenal. Don't recommend the chips. They kind of suck. They remind me of don't break up your ex. Don't break up your ex. They remind me of somebody I used to know, and they're trash, and they belong in the trash, and they never deserved the opportunity to even be my presence. But I let them in because I was vulnerable. I thought I needed them, but I don't. I don't need them at all because they suck and they can get away, and I just wish they disappear. And I never see those pumpkin chips, and I wish I had my moments that I enjoyed today without those chips because they're so horrible. And I don't think you're talking about the chips anymore. I do recommend this salsa. Look at this texture though. I can't describe it. It's kind of like tapenade salsa pasta. Like, this is not the texture of salsa. Maybe like runny blended salsa. That's the only thing I have negative to say, but the flavor's just like on point. Maybe because there's oil in it. I don't know. It's delicious. I'm not eat a lot of this. Oh my god. You guys tell I don't know how to eat. So good. I'm just thinking of recipes that I can do with this right now. Brown eggs. So clever. Why did I think of this? That's all the pumpkin we can handle right now. I bought too much pumpkin, and I want to make myself sick. I've done that before when I get really excited about food, and I want to try it all one shot. It doesn't work out well. Just, it's a recipe for disaster. This is phenomenal. Wow. Love it. Get it. This sucks. This is weird. It's like cinnamon scented chips. I don't even know why I bought it. I just bought it. I bought everything that said pumpkin, okay? 45 nights of pumpkin spice. This might be the worst 45 nights of my life. But, yeah. Get this. It's delicious. Already got an idea. Unbuckled a button. Do you unbuckle a button? God, there's so many things I don't know in this life. Okay, this is like that time where, like, I don't know if I'm completely insane or just like a total genius. Maybe a combination of the two. But I just got a really good idea. Okay, shut up. Talk about food. Idea, guys. We are going to make chimichurri pumpkin pepita steak salad because why not? It's 4 ingredients, and I'm just going to toss it together right now with the pumpkin salsa because it's got like this earthy autumn, like very like umami flavor that I want to bring out in steak. And speaking of umami, mushrooms already have umami flavor, so I'm just gonna like grill the steak, put the mushrooms over the spinach, and toss it with the salsa and have a really good, simple, easy 4 ingredient, semi-homemade pumpkin steak salad. Because why not? I'm bored. And my personal chef called out today. Just kidding. I'm my personal chef because nobody loves me and I have to cook for myself all the time. Just kidding. I love to cook. And order takeout. And talk nonstop. They come out good. I don't even know if I'm hungry. Oh. You guys see that? God. Okay, this is kebabs. $4.90. God, the amount of money I spent on groceries, I don't even want to talk about it. Okay, yeah, let's just like bust this out. So I'm assuming, should I film myself cooking? Let's do before and after. Okay, guys, look at the ingredients. Look, the magic of cinematography, because I am such a filmmaker these days. We got 4 ingredients. We got these all set up. We got our steak, we got our mushrooms, and we got our salad, and we got our pumpkin salsa. I don't want to use the chips because they aren't that good. They kind of suck. Let's make the salad. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Look what I did. What we did, if you make it too, or you can do it. Okay, so this is just me using the salsa. This is where it comes in a problem being tall because I don't fit into my camera frame. Focus, Heidi, focus. So I used pumpkin salsa, chimichurri marinated kebabs from Whole Foods. You could use tofu if you want to make it vegetarian, chicken, steak, I don't know, surprise me. Mushrooms, the salsa, and spinach. 4 ingredients. It's just a protein, mushrooms, spinach, and salsa. Literally 4 things. That's why I love Chipotle. Chipotle is the shiitake mushrooms of everything because it's just like protein, carbs, sauce, and meat. Okay? And with this, that's what I think of when I'm trying to make a salad or something like that. I'm like, okay, what can I just bust out? Also, knife skills. Be sure to cut your stuff when I get home. I'm like lazy. I just want to make something really fast. And like right now, sometimes I just want to cook. I'm like stressed out. I had a long day. I don't even know if I'm going to eat this because I'm not hungry. Like, I'd rather eat like junk food, but I love cooking healthy, or like cooking for other people, but sometimes I don't want to eat it myself. This is going to come out really good. I'm excited to try it. I'll try it right now. It's delicious. I like the salsa, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you get to try the recipe. And 45 nights of pumpkin spice is exhausting, and it's only day 2. Cover up the cabinets. Looks tacky. Whatever, I'm tacky. Should I just go at it? No shame, my game. I don't know. It's so good. I don't know it's going to be good because I like the salsa. It was really good salsa. I don't think it qualifies as salsa. It's a lot of calories. 30 calories? 2 tablespoons? Woo! No wonder it tastes so good. Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. So, pumpkin spice salad. Didn't think of that, huh? Yeah, didn't think of that, guys. Well, I did. Okay, eat the salad and stop making... Oh, boy. I don't care. But yeah. Next episode, we'll be trying something with pumpkin because I said so. All right. That's all. Have a great rest of your day. Eat something pumpkin, and I'll see you on the flip side of being basic. Bye, guys.